Squat down for me. Still eating, put it away quickly. Hurry up. Hurry up and feed. What about protection money? Number. This person is usually the most honest and timid. You're so stupid. Can't you just pay the money honestly? Ah. Did the kid take the wrong medicine today? Wake up, wake up. Don't kill me. Otherwise, who will buy wine for us brothers? Our boss has spoken. Do you still want to resist? Looking for death, Brother Ning. You shouldn't mess with me today. I've been hanging around here for so long. You are not enough. Superior. You. I said that. Dare you mess with me today? I was wrong. Let me go. Ah. This is really a silly boy's love. I didn't dream either. Feed mom. The 3-year period has come. These 3 years, without relying on family assets. He never disliked me. Now you finally accept it. My dear son, I agree with you to take Su Qiangshu home. But I win. Master Qin Zheng, you have worked hard these years. Wedding gift, no more than you share. Wedding gift. My mom is also pretty fast. She was born. Mrs. Jin heard that Mrs. Xiao runs a company. Dihao Group with a market capitalization of 100 billion RMB. My mother is here too. Madam said he is waiting for you in the capital. Assist you with all your affairs. Come on, take me to the winner group. Give one to Qiangshu. I want to tell him right away. This gift. Damn it, what are you doing? I told you a long time ago. Let others see what it looks like. I was moved for a moment. Wife, this is the gift I prepared for you. Is there a $1 card issuance here? It's true that your husband still has a childlike innocence. Qin Zheng, can you be more mature? Don't bring this kind of garbage in front of me again. Let's get a divorce. What do you mean? Qinjin, we are no longer from the same world. Worth over 10 million. The husband in my heart, Su Qiangshu. The husband in my heart, Su Qiangshu. It turns out you've always been like this. Qiangshu. As long as you divorce this good-for-nothing husband of yours. Qinjin's emotions without material things are just a piece of loose sand. You cleanse yourself and leave the house. You will move out of my house tonight. You divorce me. Just for this. What are you talking about with Mr. Gao? He can give me real money. And you only fool me with this kind of rubbish. $20 million. M. Grand remembers. If I say these things, I also even screwed further than this young Master Gao. Don't look at me like that. It's you who are useless. I thought you were just incompetent. Unexpectedly, I saw it wrong. You're just a loser who only knows how to talk. I'm not discussing divorce with you. I'll inform you to sign instead. Good. We divorce. Years agreement. In the end, my mother won. Master Qin, I am waiting for you here as ordered by my wife. Is it to be retained or donated? Notify the subordinate M Grand Group discussion group. Invite all around. What is? M Grand Group changes ownership. Yihao Group changes ownership. Once the Dihao Group changes, I order you to rush to the Dihao Group immediately. I must immediately. Things are going to change in Jiangsheng. No matter what the cost. Can Gaojia go public? Just look at this time. Be generously rewarded immediately. The chairman's subordinates will pick you up immediately. Isn't this the most famous loser in Jiangsheng? Why was Jinzhu divorced? There is no one to support you. Come to the Dihao Group to find a job. Qinjin, can you be more down to earth? After divorcing me, but I shouldn't have come to you. When will the character of Hello Gao Jianyang be changed? Now that we are divorced, what qualifications do you have to interfere in my affairs? Education is required. Do you have a diploma? Just someone like you. Not to mention the M Grand Group. Hey, what about this sentence? Qi Angshu is right. Otherwise, please beg him. Let me say a few good words for you. How is everything? Thank you, Master. Maybe you will become the most promising person in your family. Why don't you kneel down quickly and continue? I'm not here to find a job. It's not your turn to take care of it. I know your purpose. Isn't this just asking me not to divorce you? I can tell you clearly. Impossible. I know you are very unwilling. And you are just a brick mover. First, I'm not following you. Secondly, don't feel too good about yourself as a person. You have found my eyes. You can get out now. Qinjin, did I hear it right just now? What are you saying? You have something to do with Dihao Group. You're such a loser. Can it be related to the M Grand Group? By the way, are you here to collect scrap? Garbage with garbage. Pooh! In Kinjen, it is important to be self-aware. You are a waste. We remind you for your own good. I'm going in. Or should I send someone to throw you out? This is the territory of the Emgrand Group. Gaoshu Kinjin, you are crazy. You dare to hit me. Pulled out your tongue. Someone is making trouble in your Emgrand Group. What orders does Mr. Gao have? This person is causing trouble on your Emgrand Group's territory. Idle people are not allowed to stay in Emgrand Group. Anyone really dares to come to D Hao Group to act wild. Pooh, what is your identity as a stinky migrant worker? They are all existences that are beyond your reach. It's a dragon. You have to hold it for me. Not to mention a dog. Call the person who comes. Kinjen, in the past, you carried the name of my husband, Su Qiangshu, on your head. Now you are an ant that anyone can crush to death. Where did his face come from? You should kowtow to Mr. Gao and admit your mistake now. It's not like she's missing arms or legs. Zhu Lingfei will come down immediately. Even if Jianjin asks you to show off, you can't. Do you know who Chu Yunfei is? Chu Yunfei is the eldest lady of the Chu family in the capital. At the age of 22, he led the Chu Group to become an international company. It's an insult to him. Zhu Lingfei is my idol. Who in the business world doesn't know his name? How could he talk to you, a migrant worker? As far as I know. You check this news very carefully. Only. Not strong enough. Wait until I bring the heirloom of our Gao Group. When the time comes, our Gao family will cooperate with the D Hao Group. And you're just a pile of mud that can't hold up the wall. Then the Gao family is about to soar into the sky. So easy to say silly. D Hao Group. Don't talk about low-quality garbage. What are you guys doing standing around? Use your hands to break your legs. Stop it. Mr. Cow is here to cause trouble. Mr. Cow, I am here to present a treasure to Mr. Chu. Mr. Cow will be here later. Many kind words. What's the fuss about? If the chairman is alerted, let's see who of you can shoulder this responsibility. This trash is causing trouble in the Emgrand Group. Mr. Chu asked him to come down. This is Mr. Cow of the D Hao Group. You can see him before you die. You can die without regrets. Kinjin, you even alarmed Mr. Cow. Rushing to seek death. May I ask who you are, Kinjin? Mr. Kin, Mr. Kin. I am sent by Mr. Chu to pick you up. CEO Cow. How is it possible to know Mr. Chu? That's right. Although it is said that domestic ugliness should not be raised outside. We have been married for 3 years. He is a married woman. Mr. Cow, you are confused. It's not your place to speak. You are fired from now on. This Emgrand Group has this kind of garbage.